Welcome back, everyone. It's nice to change the scenery. As you see, freed up some space doing finishing touches on the frame, and today's big task, finally, after 2 years or 1.5 or something like that, or close to 2 years, I'm gonna put the body on. So I'm gonna start preparing the body for this agenda. To do so, I will take off the doors, the hood, trunk doors, also this console, because I need to take this away, so I don't need to be precise and get the gearbox in the clutches in these holes. So there will be a big opening, and then I can do maintenance a bit later on that one. But yeah, let's see how that goes. So we need to remove the middle console now. Again, this is a bit different construction because this one has cup holders, mine didn't. But let's just remove. And just like that, now we have a lot of place. So it's been since before Christmas when we attached the body. Oh, it's a major milestone for my little project of restoration. Still a lot of stuff to be done. But anyway, the body is on. Didn't quite believe that I would do it this year, to be honest. But it's on there. Only thing, don't be like me and don't leave the frame wiring not on frame. Damn. But I will figure that one out. It'll be interesting to add it. Well, it's not that hard. You just lift up one side and just pin it down in that designated space. Oh, you can see here. Well, you can't see, but okay. There's a big opening for the gearbox. I need to change that rubber thing on the gearbox controller. And yeah, good thing that we did it now, because as you can see, somewhat you can see outside, it started to snow. Basically that was the only day that we had good weather here in Latvia to do this part. And for the next steps I want to connect the dashboard, attach the wires for engine, maybe starter, maybe no starter, not sure, but I will attach the battery and the engine and try to turn the key just to see what if anything lights up, just so I have like a point zero to go from, and we can start thinking about what's needed to be done with these wires, because they're looking in really bad shape. So I can redo them from my old wiring harness. So the next part for my project, I would say, would be to connect the brakes and clutch to their designated places. To be honest, I have no clue where the clutch is designated to be. Oh no, I know, don't worry. Yeah, so connect clutch and brakes, screw down everything, recheck that everything is screwed down from the bottom side, from the frame side, just not to have anything left for later, and later I forget. And next, attach the battery, attach a dash, turn the key and see what happens. Like, does anything at all light up? And then yeah, just dealing with the wires. That will be the most fun, I believe. Not good with electrics, but hey, this is homemade restoration, so might as well do that also. At least I will know. Now I know everything about the frame part, and now I will most likely learn the electricity part also of this car. So yeah, in general, next part, get it up and running. After that, weld the body, prepare the body for paint and painting. If I'm lucky, then by the end of 2021 I will have this car on the road again. So that will be super big milestone. And yeah, and after it's on the road again, I can start dealing with some upgrades, because I want to do some fancy electronics and lighting, shelving and stuff like that, camping equipment in the back. Nothing too crazy, because I don't want to like over encumber it, so when I go some off-road driving I get stuck and everything's in the way and everything is breaking. Nothing too crazy, but yeah. So I wish you all the Merry Christmas that already passed and the Happy New Year that will be already passed while this video gets out. And best wishes in the 2021. This year should be good. Well, it's already starting good because I just realized that there is so little space in this tent when the body is up. Either way, thanks everyone who's subscribing and stopping by. I see that 96% is not subscribed, or 94% is not subscribed at watching my channel. I still need 450 people or something like that to get to monetization, and also I need 4,000 hour views, and I have only half of that. Either way, that will be problems for this year, I guess. But for now, thanks everyone for stopping by. Thanks for sticking around, and well wishes, and bye.